This will be part one of a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.7 liter with a no start problem. I just got this Jeep a couple days ago from a used car dealership that didn't want to spend any more money on it. Couldn't figure out what's wrong with it, so I got it really cheap. And it's up to me to figure out what was wrong with it. So I brought it home, towed it with this, and decided to do a compression test on it because it cranked over. It wanted to fire but wouldn't fire. Did a compression test, pulled out number one spark plug, put in a compression tester. There was very little compression. So I went back to the exhaust pipe, put my hand over the pipe, cranked it over. It would push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, which said, you know, either the timing chain is slipped or hole in the piston or something like that. So I knew the problem had to be at least timing chain. So I came over, pulled off one of the valve covers, which the left side, driver's side right there, valve cover's off. To my surprise, see if I can show you this cam gear right here is not attached. First time I've ever seen or heard this. The little nipple on the cam that's supposed to be holding the cam gear, there's not even one there. I don't know if it's been sheared off or not. I can't see if it's supposed to be there or place for it or where it was or a hole, anything. Bolt's not there. I don't know where it would be. But anyway, now I know. Timing chains. Gotta do some timing chains. That will be part two.